Welcome to this podcast series on the 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth, where we explore timeless leadership and personal growth principles inspired by the teachings of John C. Maxwell. I am Balan Swaminathan, and I am delighted you have joined me on this journey of intentional growth. Whether you are a leader, a professional, a student, a business owner, or someone who simply wants to become a better version of yourself, this series is for you. Over the next 15 episodes, we will explore one growth principle at a time, uncover practical insights, identify the obstacles that keep us from reaching our potential, and discover simple, intentional steps that lead to lasting transformation. My goal is not merely to help you gain more knowledge, but to help you apply these principles so they become part of your daily life. Remember, growth doesn't happen by accident. It happens when we choose to learn, change, and take the next step every single day. So if you are ready to grow in your leadership, career, relationships, faith, and personal life, you are in the right place. Let's begin this exciting journey together and discover how intentional growth can transform every area of your life. Welcome to the 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth. Let's grow together. Now that we have begun this journey together, let's dive into our very first episode, the law of intentionality. John Maxwell begins with this law because every other law of growth is built upon it. If you don't become intentional about your growth, it's unlikely that lasting growth will happen at all. Today's lesson is titled, Growth Doesn't Just Happen. Have you ever noticed that everyone gets older, but not everyone gets better? Every year we celebrate birthdays, but birthdays don't guarantee growth. Time passes for everyone, yet growth happens only for those who pursue it intentionally. John Maxwell begins his book, The 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth, with a simple but powerful truth. Growth doesn't just happen. Many people assume life itself will make them wiser, stronger, or more successful. But experience alone doesn't produce growth. It simply gives us opportunities to grow. The question isn't whether you are getting older. The question is, are you intentionally growing? Today we will explore the law of intentionality and discover why so many people never reach their potential. Let's talk about the growth gap traps. Maxwell explains that many people never grow because they fall into what he calls growth gap traps. These are wrong beliefs that quietly prevent us from moving forward. Let's look at each one. Number one, the assumption gap. I assume I will grow automatically. This is probably the biggest mistake people make. They assume, I'm working, I'm getting older, I'm gaining experience, so naturally I'm growing. Not necessarily. Some people have 20 years of experience, others have 1 year of experience repeated 20 times. Growth is never automatic, it is intentional. Ask yourself, what am I doing today that is helping me become a better person than I was yesterday? Number two, the knowledge gap. I don't know how to grow. Many people genuinely want to improve. They simply don't know where to begin. The good news is we have never lived in a better time to learn. Books, podcasts, audiobooks, online courses, mentors, conferences, knowledge is everywhere. The question is no longer can I learn, the question is am I willing to learn? Successful people remain lifelong learners. Number three, the timing gap. It's not the right time. How many dreams have died waiting for the perfect moment? People say, when life becomes less busy, when my finances improve, when the children grow up, when I retire, but the perfect time rarely arrives. If something is important, today is always better than someday. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Number four, the mistake gap. I'm afraid of making mistakes. Fear keeps many people from trying, but every successful person has failed. Failure is in the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Mistakes are tuition fees for growth. Don't fear mistakes. Fear staying the same, because every lesson learned from failure makes you wiser for the next opportunity. Number 5, the perfection gap. I need the perfect plan. Many people delay action because they are waiting for the perfect strategy, perfect conditions, perfect timing, perfect knowledge, perfect confidence, but perfection often becomes procrastination in disguise. Progress always beats perfection. Start small, improve as you go. Growth happens while you are moving. Number 6, the inspiration gap. I don't feel like it. Feelings are unreliable. If you only grow when you are motivated, you won't grow very often. Successful people rely more on discipline than motivation. Motivation gets you started, discipline keeps you going. Don't wait until you feel like reading, read. Don't wait until you feel like exercising, exercise. Action often creates motivation, not the other way around. Number 7, the comparison gap. Others are better than I am. Comparison is one of the fastest ways to lose confidence. There will always be someone who knows more, earns more, leads better, communicates better. But your greatest competition isn't someone else. It is the person you were yesterday. Celebrate others, learn from others, but don't compare yourself to them. Run your own race. Number 8, the expectation gap. I thought it would be easier. Many people quit because growth is harder than they expected. Learning is difficult, changing habits is difficult, leadership is difficult, relationships require effort, everything valuable requires commitment. Growth is uphill, comfort is downhill. Don't quit because it's difficult. Difficulty often means you are growing. Making the transition to intentional growth. So how do we move from accidental living to intentional growth? Maxwell gives 4 practical steps. Number 1, ask the big question. Stop asking, what am I going to do? Instead, ask, who am I becoming? Achievement focuses on doing, growth focuses on becoming. Because who you become determines what you accomplish. Number 2, do it now. Don't wait. Start today. Read 1 chapter. Listen to 1 podcast. Take 1 course. Write 1 goal. Call 1 mentor. Small actions repeated daily with consistency produce extraordinary results over time. Number 3, face the fear factor. Growth always requires courage. You will never feel completely ready, but courage is in the absence of fear. It's moving forward despite fear. Your comfort zone is beautiful, but nothing grows there. Number 4, change from accidental to intentional growth. Finally, stop hoping growth will happen. Schedule it, plan it, budget for it. Read intentionally, learn intentionally, practice intentionally, reflect intentionally. Growth becomes predictable when it becomes intentional. John Maxwell reminds us that growth is not automatic, it is intentional. Every day you are becoming someone. The only question is, are you becoming the person you want to become? If you continue doing what you have always done, you will continue becoming who you have always been. But the moment you decide to grow intentionally, your future begins to change. So today, identify the gap that is holding you back. Take 1 intentional step, then another, because personal growth isn't an event, it's a daily decision. Your potential is God's gift to you. What you become is your gift back to God. Choose to grow intentionally because growth doesn't just happen. Thank you for taking the time to invest in your growth journey. If you are looking for support, guidance, or coaching in your personal growth, career, leadership, or purpose journey, I would be glad to help. Click the link below and let me know how can I serve and support you. Looking forward to connecting with you and being part of your growth journey.